Hello everyone, so today we will learn about adapter design pattern. This is one of the structural design patterns which are concerned with how the classes and objects can be composed to form larger structures. To adapter pattern, we have to provide interface according to client requirements while using the services of a class with a different interface. So in this pattern we will have a target interface, that is a desired interface class that is used by the client. Okay, we will also have the adapter and the adaptee classes. So the adapter class is like a wrapper that implements the target interface, and it will use the adaptee class so that the desired functionality can be obtained and the adaptee can be made more compatible with the target interface. So let us consider an e-commerce application wherein we have a client. Okay, we have this client and also we have some order interface. Okay, we have an order interface. Okay, so what this client does is, this client connects with this we will have some order placer here. Okay, and it will send some implementation class object to this order interface and get the total amount. Okay, it will request for the total amount of the order. Okay, let us assume that is our use case. So here this implementation class of this interface will calculate the total amount and return that value. So suppose we have some two implementations of this. One is some grocery order. Okay, and another implementation we have something like some electronics order. Okay, so this client can send either of these two and it will get the total amount when requested, right? So now what happens is there is some discount going on, and that discount has to be applied to this total. Okay, so we might have this discount model. Okay, some discount entity like, or a class or model, whatever we say. Okay, but this is not related entirely related to order, right? It cannot be, we cannot just subclass discount and make it implement all the other methods of the order, right? So this is something which is incompatible. Like, we cannot make discount as an implementing class of this interface. So in that case, what we will do is, this adapter pattern will help. So here what we will do is, we will create some adapter here. Okay, suppose we will create some discounted order. Okay, so now this discounted order will implement this order interface. So this sounds compatible, right? Directly discount, we cannot implement this order class and then do the discount specific behavior. So this is completely incompatible. So we can have some adapter here, something like a discounted order, and this will have discount as its member. Okay, it will have discount as its member, and this discount order will implement that get total method by using that member. Okay, so this discounted order will implement that get total method by implement this order. So this discount is within this discount order. So here this discount we will call as an adaptee. Okay, the class which another class is going to adapt. So this is the adaptee here. This we can call as the target interface. This discount order would become the adapter. Okay, this discount order is acting as an adapter here, and this is the client. Okay, so these four are the main actors for this pattern. So now let us see the live example of this use case which I have explained here just now. So we have our classes here. Okay, so this is the interface, order interface, which is having that get total amount method, and this grocery order is one such implementing class of this interface, order interface. and it is overriding the get total amount, and whatever is the calculation we will do and return it. So for now, for explanation, I have just used some hard-coded values. And we will have this electronics order as well. Let me open that. Yeah. So we have this electronics order that is also implementing this order, and it is overriding the get total method, and it will return some, it will calculate some values and it will return that value. Then we also have an order placer. So here we are just getting the total amount and displaying the amount. Okay, so this place order method will be used by our client to place the order. Okay, so it will pass in this order object. So it could be either the grocery order or the electronics order. So it would pass in that particular order object, and then it would get the total amount, right? Order dot get total amount. So this total amount. So whoever is the implementing class, it will, the JVM will go to that. So whatever is the implementation class for this, so that total amount will get returned, either the grocery order or the electronics order, right? So now we have this client here. So for that client, we are creating the instance of the order placer first, because that is where we will place the order. And then we have some grocery order with us. Okay, and then we have created this object, and we have also created this place order method where we will pass this order and then place the order, just to make it more modular and more understanding. Okay, so here we have created an object of this client. So generally this you will not in the real scenarios, you will not have like these objects you would get from the front end, and this place order would get called, right? So here this client dot place order, we are passing the order placer object which we have created, and also the type of order. So if you see the type of order we are passing. Okay, so now as we discussed, we might have some scenarios where we want to apply a discount. Like when we are calculating the order, we want to apply the total discount. So what in one scenario, what you can do is you will have to go to the grocery order, get this discount, right? So suppose we have this discount class and you have get total discount. So in the grocery order, you will have that discount object. Okay, and then you will apply that discount and return the value. So that is one way we can do it. But in that case, what happens is this gets repeated, right? The repetition of code would be there in whatever order you want to apply that discount, right? Either in the grocery order or the electronics order, if you want to apply this behavior of discount, so everywhere you will have to go and implement that method. So suppose you might have some apply discount, something like this here, or some void and apply discount. So all your implementation classes now have to implement this method as well. So that is like a lot of repetition in the code and lot of modification, right? So just for a simple change, we will have to modify all our implementing classes. So in that scenarios, what we can do is we can use this adapter pattern. So instead of having this order, having this discount directly within the order, what we will do is we will create an adapter. Okay, or or this discount implementing that interface, which is like totally incompatible, so that we cannot do also. So what we will do is we will create an adapter that is nothing but this discounted order. Okay, so for that what we will do is, so discounted order is also our one type of order, right? So this will also implement order, and it has to implement the unimplemented methods. Okay, so here, so in this adapter pattern, we will have this discount as an object within this adapter class. Okay, so here we will have this. As of now I'm just creating the instance here itself. If you use any frameworks, this will get injected, right? And then we will have some method here. Let us make it a private method. Apply discount. Okay, so this will be the method where the actual action would take place of applying a discount. So what we will do here is, and we will pass in the value here. So we will just return amount and whatever is the total discount. Just for simplicity we will have it very simple. Discount dot get total discount. Okay, and here what we will do, so here we will pass in the, we will return by calling this apply discount, and here let us pass some value, suppose some hard coded value will do now for our demo purpose. Okay, so we are passing some amount and then we are getting the discounted. So internally we are calling this method and then using this discount, which is like directly incompatible with the order. So for that we have created this discounted order as the adapter. This discount is the adaptee and the order becomes the target interface, right? So in this way we can adapt, like create an adapter to make these incompatible interfaces or classes compatible. Okay, so now first let us run this this grocery store itself. Okay, so it is inside this order placer, handling the order placing logic and then calculating the grocery amount. Okay, calculating the grocery amount and then we are printing the amount, right? So now here we are printing the amount. So here now if we want to place this discounted order, what we will do is, so now instead of the grocery order or any other order, we will directly pass this discounted order. So we will create an interface, instance of this, and instead of the grocery order, now we will ask for the discounted order. Okay, so let us run this again. Okay, handling the order placing logic and 19,000. We have not given any sys out here. Okay, get total discount. From the discount it is returning some 1,000 and we have passed around like 20,000 and it is giving us the total discounted value. So in this way we can create some adapter class to make this and have this adaptee inside the adapter, and then have some method in which we will use this adaptee and then provide the behavior of the actual interface. So this is the behavior. The get total amount is the behavior of the actual interface, right? The target interface which the client is connecting with. So this client wants the connection, like it only wants to pass the order, right? It only wants to pass the order. So in that way we will have this adapter wherein we will, it is a type of order, right? It is a type of order and we have the corresponding implementation, and then to adapt this to the new discount which we have, we will have this discount within this adapter itself and then some method wherein we will use that adaptee and generate the result. So the advantages of this pattern is to reuse the existing code and also to increase the compatibility between two or more previously incompatible objects. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for the next videos. Thanks for watching.